Hello everyone, this is IbisPaint X. So today we are going to quickly design this flyer using IPX. So without wasting much of our time, let's quickly head over to our design Canva. So I'm going to IPX. I open it. So we are going to choose a size, and this is the size we are going to choose. We are going to choose 80. You can see the size now. So I don't want it to very long, so I will bring in the image I want to use. Let me import the image I want to use. So this is the image I want to use. So this is the image I want to use. So I will now duplicate the image. I can hide this one, then I will position this one very well. Sorry, let me position it very well. So I will use something like, okay, let me use it like this, and click OK. Then click on the second image, take it to back, then position it to this side like this. Let me do something. Okay, so I will position it like this. Can you see how it is? So I will position it like this. I will still bring in our reference image so that we can check it. So I position it like this, then bring in the other image. That we want to use. This is the other image. So I will now bring it to this side. So this image, I will bring it to this side. So can you see where it is now? So click OK. Don't forget you haven't do anything about our background. So the next thing we want to do is background. I like importing on my image before adding my background. So here now I go to the background I want to use. So I'm going to search the background I want to use, though it is not one background. Let me go to where it is. So I first import this. So this is the first background. This is the first background I want to use. Then I click OK. Then I import the second background. So the second background I want to use. So this is the second background I want to use. This is the second background I want to use. I will still import our reference image. So I click OK. Then I will now overlay the second one. Click on overlay. Can you see how light it is? So let me import our reference image. To import our reference image, we just click here. After clicking it, you can see reference window. I turn it on. Then let me bring in our reference image. Remove this reference image. Let me import the one. Add reference image. So let me quickly import our reference image. So this is our reference image. You can see it now. You can see that it's almost the same. Can you see it? It's almost the same. So I can decide to move the background a bit like this. So this is how it is. So the next thing I want to do, I can close the reference image for now. The next thing I want to do is to click on this second image, go to eraser. Remember, this is eraser. I will choose on blur. You can see this here brush. So I will click on it. Then I will try to blur this side of the image so that it can blend. So can you see now? I have blended it. So the next thing I want to do now is the test and everything. So go to the layer. Then what is the test? Before the test, let me add a vector layer. Then I will draw a shape. So I'm going to draw this shape. Make sure your brush is not turned on. You can choose the color to white. So this is the shape. I can draw a shape like this. Let me bring it to this side. So can you see the shape? Then I will go to vector layer after clicking on the shape. Then I will lower the opacity to something maybe like 37 or 27. You can see it. Then I will now I will turn on my brush. I will choose this color. Which color? I will choose this color. So you can see this is the brush that is there. Let me show you the brush that is there. Let me show you. You can see airbrush particle. If you scroll it a bit, you will see airbrush particle. Can you see airbrush particle? So that's what I'm using. So let me increase it. So this is how it is. So you can see how it is now. So click on OK. Let me check my reference image. Sorry, my reference image. So we are still using the same thing. So I think I need to reduce it. Okay, I think we are on the same lane. So we are on the same lane. The next thing is to bring in the text I want to use. Let me type the text. The text I want to use is let me first type Chioma Jesus. Chioma. So the font I want to use for Chioma is this you can see this Bill. Can you see this Bill? That's the font I'm going to use. So okay, the color. So increase the size. Let me bring it to the front. So if you see our reference image, can you see it is white. So I'm going to increase the size to something. I think something like this will be okay. So let's check the reference. Okay, so the next thing is Jesus. Type Jesus. Same font. Remember, it's still the same font. So I will put it there. So you can see it now that it's coming a bit. Then the next thing, let's type another thing, which is happy birthday. First type happy. Then the font you are going to use for happy, you are going to use this KB bold italic. So the funniest thing about the font here is that when you come here, you can see over 700 fonts. All the font is there already. What you just need is to get there, choose the font you want. All the font is there already. They are there. And if you want to see many fonts, if you want your data, if I turn on my data now, you will see a lot of fonts. All those fonts are from the app. So you don't need to be installing all fonts unless you need specific fonts. That is when you can go and install fonts. And how can you install fonts? To install fonts, you can click on this plus icon. It will take you to online. Just search the font you want, you will just install it. So you can see the benefits. It has a lot of free fonts for you. So this is the bill I'm using. So I'm going to use maybe something like 22. Let the size be like 22. So I position it here. Okay, let me position it where I position it here. Okay, then the next thing, I draw a white. I add a vector layer or just any layer. Then come here, then draw this white. You can see, draw this white shape. Not too long. So are we getting there? Okay, I think we are getting there, but I think I still need to work on the shape. So click on it, reduce it a bit. Then I think we have to. So okay, we are good with this. Then write your birthday. Write your what? Birthday tests. So birthday, we are still using the same font. Birthday, but the color is going to be this. The color we use for the background of the other text, for the shape background. So we're going to change the text to capital letter, uppercase. Okay, so we are going to go with something like this. Then I think we are still going to reduce it though. So I'm going to position it where. Then I'm going to reduce the shape size. I will come to the shape.
reduce the size of the shape. Okay, so I think it's okay like this. Then the next thing I'm going to do here now, I want to position this image very well. Like this image, I want to position it very well. I don't like the way sorry, I think I still need to push this one to this side a bit. Okay, like this. Then push this one also to that side a bit. Okay, I think it's okay like this. And the next thing, I should push this one also a bit, but let me do something. I can delete this one, or I can just duplicate this one. Then I can now move it and now position it the way I want. Okay, I think I'm good with something like this. So just to position it the way I want. So it's good like this. Then remember the brush eraser. So I'm going to brush that side to blend it. Okay, so I think I'm good with this. So you can see as it's coming out a bit. So the next thing now, I'm just going to draw a shape. Let me quickly draw a shape. Add a vector layer. Draw a shape with this color. Is it this color? Let me check. Okay, it's not this color. I think okay, this color. So I quickly draw a shape. Then after drawing the shape, you can see now, draw a shape, position it where, then write the text. What is the text there? Let me see. Spotlight Nation family wish you well. So I will just write it there. Spotlight Nation family wish you well, and quickly write it there. Wish you well. Okay, this is the test. I will just put the test there. I will reduce the size. After reducing the size, I will change the color to white. So I will now position it well. Okay, so something like this. Then the next thing is to add, I can just duplicate that shape. Then I will position it to this side. But if I position it, I still have to go to vector layer. Going to vector layer, then increase it, reduce the sorry, I will have to reduce the size, reduce the width, then increase the height a bit. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So what I will just have to do now is to position it well. Then I will now write the text. What is the text? The gospel singer. So I just write gospel singer. So I just put it there. Choose the font you want, then put it there like this. So you can see it now. I can still decide to reduce the shape a bit. I can go to vector layer to edit the shape, maybe to edit the width. So you can see it now. So let me position it well. Okay, so you can see how we design it now. Then the next thing we are going to add a lens flare. But firstly, come to this side, come to the back, add an empty layer, then change the blending mode to you can see add. Change the blending mode to add, then come to your brush, turn off your shape, then come to your brush, choose like just you are going to choose this yellow light color. So increase your brush, make sure you are on this air brush normal. So choose the brush, then you are going to apply the lighting at the back. So you can see how it lightens the back. So the next thing we are going to do now here is to come to the top, add an empty layer,
change the blending mode also to add. So after changing the blending mode to add, come to this color. Then you are going to pick let's pick this color. Can you see the color now? Pick this color that is more like pink, but it's not fully pink. It's also a pink, but not fully pink. Then this color you are going to apply it here at the top of it. Can you see it? So you are applying it here. So you apply it, or in everything you apply. Also, you can add another empty layer, then change the blending mode also to add, then change the color of this to that yellow. Then you are going to apply it here. You are going to apply it to somewhere here. Can you see the lighting in there? So you apply it to somewhere there. Then come to this one again. You can decide to duplicate this one. Let's duplicate it and see duplicate. Can you see that it now has some lighting? So I can decide to change the color to add it more here, to add it more to this side, or I don't want it to be too much. I think it will be okay like this, because I don't want it to be too much. So but you can decide to lower the opacity of this one, so you can see it now. I think this side is too much. It's too much at the top, but it's still okay like this. So you can see how the flyer turned out to be. You can see how beautiful it is. So this is how you design your flyer on it. As we design this birthday flyer on it quickly without wasting much time. So follow the tutorial properly, follow the process and design it. In case you need the resources like the background and the picture, I've already edited the picture, texture it and everything. I can provide it. Just comment you want it. I will provide the resources for you. Thanks for watching. I will be expecting you in our next tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I can be giving you more tutorial that is valuable. So thanks for watching.